How to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So when you're typing something on your search engine and it will open up through yahoo.com, you may follow up this method to fix it. Open up your Chrome, go ahead and access the three dot at the top right corner, click on it, and go ahead and access the settings from here. Once you access the settings, the first thing you need to do is go to on startup, click on it. And once you are here, we're going to go ahead and look out for this option for adding a new piece. Click on it. And there you're going to type in the site URL, which should be www.google.com. After that, click on add and add up your google.com piece right here. Once you do so, you can go over and find the option for search engine and open it up on your keyboard like this. And from here, go over to this change option. So if Yahoo has been selected, you're just going to go ahead and select the option for Google for your search engine and set it at default. And when you go to manage search engines and site search, you will be finding your Google being as default search engine on your computer. So if you'd like to remove Yahoo Search for Chrome, these are the methods you can follow up in order to do so. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.